Sandesh aid, and they led searches in Sandesh Khali after getting incriminating leads during the investigation. Now, during these searches, Sheikh Shahjahan's aide's residence, they found a huge cache of ammunition. The recoveries were so alarming that the CBI had to rope in officials of NSG's bomb disposal squad, who came in and even defused those suspected country-made bombs. As per the Central Bureau of Investigation, an official statement which was given, 9 foreign-made revolvers, 1 Indian revolver, 1 Colt official police revolver, 1 foreign-made pistol, 1 country-made pistol of 120 09mm caliber cartridges, .45 caliber cartridges, and 129mm caliber cartridges, .380, and 50 of those cartridges were recovered. .32 cartridges also, 8 of them were recovered, and a few suspected country-made bombs were also found from this so-called arms den in Sandesh Khali. Take a look at this report which has been filed by my colleague.
Sandesh Khali case is being investigated by the CBI, but the first time ever NSG commandos have reached this area of Sarberia and Sandesh Khali, and what you see behind me is a huge convoy which has brought in the NSG commandos. We'll show you the visuals how the NSG commandos have reached the area, and this is after the CBI teams reached this place in Sarberia, and they recovered huge cache of arms and ammunition, and thereafter we can see the commandos have reached here and they will be carrying out their operations, because remember, the building here in question where they had specific information about arms and ammunition being saved, they had to dig the ground. Thereafter they recovered those arms and ammunition. CBI sources tells us that there are some foreign made pistols which have been recovered from the area, but at this point in time you can see the NSG commandos who've reached here in Sandesh Khali to take the investigation forward, and will also see the kind of arms and ammunition which have been stored here, and the reason here will be explored as to why in huge quantities such ammunition and arms were being stored here, and also the foreign made pistols which were brought here. All these links will be investigated.
All right, with that we slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Don't go anywhere.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile?
It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।